Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well, having a great time. Welcome to Student Gateway. So, today we are here with another exciting opportunity, and this time, this opportunity is from the United States of America. Recently, I did upload a video about SUSI, and it was a exchange program to the United States of America, but it was limited to Pakistani students only. This time, we are making a video about Global U Grade Exchange Program 2021, which is like as the name states, it's global, so you guys can apply. Global U Grade Exchange Program, United States. Its name says all. It is a program. It's open, starting accepting application from different regions of the world. Recently, when we posted an exchange program named this, it was only for Pakistani students. But yes, as per promised, we came up with another exchange program. It's global and it's a global U grade fully funded program. It's basically a semester exchange program, a culture exchange program. You can easily apply with it without IELTS and there is no application fees. It is funded by the government, US Department of State, and it's organized by World Learning. As this is a cultural program, participants are supposed to learn about US culture, values, and exchange information. Approximately 250 participants are supposed to be selected, and the United States of America 4 to 5 months, approximately 250, fully funded. 28th of February 2021 is the last date to apply for this program. If you talk about the financial coverage, it's a fully funded program, so from A to Z everything will be covered. And if you talk about eligible countries, these are the list of eligible countries. If you find out the name of your country in this particular list right here, then you are eligible to apply, and if you don't, then you cannot apply. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, it must be 18 plus in age, citizens of the countries listed above, must be enrolled in an undergraduate program at the time of application, and at least one semester should be remaining at the end of the program. Secondary education should be completed, good command over the English language, be able to begin studies in the United States on August 2021 or January 2022. Note: selected participants cannot defer the date later, so choose wisely. Be eligible to receive US Student Exchange J1 visa, which is required for the program. Eligible, they're talking about the eligibility criteria described by the US embassies in different countries of the world. That what's the eligibility criteria for J1 visa? It's basically nothing such hard. They're just talking about some basic things. General medicine certificate, which you can get by any physician, and committed to return to your home country after completion of the program. If we talk about the deadline, it's 21st of February. How we are supposed to apply? We can apply through this link right here. When we click on this link, this page will right here open up in front of you. As you can see, this is the official page which states Government Global Undergraduate Exchange Program. It's called Global U Grade. At a glance, the introduction, eligibility criteria, country specific requirement. Basically, the thing is, the requirement might be changed and vary to like from country to country. This is the official and original list of the countries right here, as you can see. And if we have missed any of the countries right here, so don't worry and panic. This is the original list which we are supposed to copy or whatever, but you are supposed to like kind of check your requirement. For example, if Pakistan and be from participating country enrolled in the undergraduate program, not be enrolled in the final year of studies during the time of application. So if we talk about Bangladesh, then the requirement has a list of different things, so you have to check that out by yourself. And if we talk about apply through the like how we are supposed to apply through the US Embassy Public Affairs sections or Fulbright Commission in your home country. Basically, they are trying to say that you are supposed to apply to this program through embassies, different embassies and different commissions in your country, which is working for the United States of America. All you have to do is like come up right here, and for example, if you are from Bangladesh, so you are supposed to write US Embassy Bangladesh U grade. When you write that down, this page will come up right here in front of you. Some of the embassies have updated their sites and some of the embassies have not updated their site, as this program is for 2021 and as you can see it is written 2020. So this is the reference for the recent program. So this is the basic eligibility criteria, and you don't need to worry if the embassy of the United States of America hasn't updated their site in your home country, or like they're supposed to update that real soon. So they'll update that. You don't need to worry about that. As you can see, 31st of December 2019 and we are living in 2021. So this is wrong. This is the update for last year. So how we are supposed to apply after reading all these terms and conditions and things? You're supposed to apply through this link right here. You can easily sign up to this program. It's a web portal from World Learning Education Development. You are referred to this site or whatever through the US Embassy in Bangladesh. And if you talk about the US Embassy, like for example, if you write down US Embassy U grade Bangladesh, and if we just change the name from Bangladesh to Pakistan, we will get different thing. And just for example, U grade, as you can see, embassy and consulate in Pakistan, US Embassy and consulate in Pakistan, U grade, and Pakistani undergraduate students, and this and that. Let's go for read more and see what different things they want. The application procedure might be different and vary from country to country, embassy to embassy. And for more information about this and that, please visit this and that. So this is the basic thing, and if you guys have still any doubts and if you haven't kind of cleared up your mind till now, so you guys can contact us in the comment sections below. Till then, thank you so much for watching and best of luck.